I had a friend who could only do things spontaneously. We called him Oliver Sudden. Oh, no, don't forget, comment your dad jokes down below. Right, so hello again everybody and welcome back. A lot of us own Amazon streaming devices, especially Amazon Fire TV sticks. Now there's a few different things I'm going to talk about in this video, but this is just one of those where I was sat there thinking, and it's something you can actually help with as well. And it's going to make our lives a lot easier. Right, so that being said, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and let's crack on. Right, so this is the Firestick 4K Max, and as you can see, for somebody who doesn't really know their way around it, it can be quite daunting because it is quite cluttered. Now, one thing I was thinking about is, numerous times I've had phone calls asking me how to do something that we find straightforward. So it could be a little issue somebody's having, or how to install something, or a different feature that's not working, how to turn it on. And then you've got to sit there for 10-15 minutes explaining it over the phone, and it's not fun, is it? And 10-15 minutes is if you're having a good run. Sometimes it can take a lot longer. So what I was thinking is, comment down below any issues you think people may have that are quite newcomers to Amazon Fire Sticks. And I'm going to make quick videos where instead of sitting on the phone for 10-15 minutes explaining something, it's going to be as easy as, here, watch this, this is how to do it. Now, granted, I've already made some videos around simple tasks on a Fire Stick, but I'm going to be starting this in its own little playlist, so if there's ever any issues, you can go to that playlist, find what's wrong or what to do, and it's as simple as that. And thinking about it, it's not just newcomers that might find these videos helpful. If you're wondering how to do something you've never done on the Fire Stick before, then ding dangly do, it's going to be there for you. So it might be something as simple as, how do I update my Fire Stick? And I make a quick video, it might be a minute and a half long, can show them, go across the settings, down to My Fire TV, click on About, and there you see check for updates. And then people can follow the video rather than you saying, right, go across to the settings icon on the side there. And once you've clicked on that, go down to it. Can you see My Fire TV? Yeah, it's at the bottom. Can you see? You know? And that's just an example. You've got different things like text banners. You've got your preferences. You've got your how to install things, how to use different apps, how to use the actual settings, how to manage your apps, how to clear the cache. Loads of different stuff. And then there's even stuff like using a VPN. Now, for a lot of people, this might be quite difficult. They might not understand how it works. So I can make quick videos on that as well. And if you don't already have a VPN, I will leave links in the description down below. Very useful to have. So yeah, this is going to be like a little mini-series that's Fire Stick for Dummies. And by saying dummies, I'm not trying to offend anybody. I know what online's like now. It's just a way of saying they're going to be really simple videos and easy to follow. And like I said, what I want you to do is comment down below anything you think people might struggle with. Even if you think it's something like, that's obvious that. If you've had a phone call of anybody asking you how to do something, or you've struggled with something yourself in the past, let me know in the comment section down below, and I am going to write it down, and I'm going to make a video of each. So yeah, let's get back to his roots and helping people that are new to Fire Sticks as well as people that are advanced. And also, we're going to be starting one of these with Android TV as well. I'll make a separate video on that with separate comments with recommendations of what to make videos on for Android TV. So if you've got an Nvidia Shield or anything like that. And yeah, just a nice little series we can make quick videos. Right, so that being said, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you soon.